Good morning, everyone. Good morning, students. How's your day? That's great. So for now, I am your English teacher. My name is Nadia Dublas. In short, you can call me Teacher Nads. Okay? So now, can I hear you please? Teacher Nads. Okay, once again, good morning, students. Very good. Thank you, students. So now, before we will go to our lesson, can I request everyone to stand? And this time, we are going to sing the song. What? What kind of song? Do you know what is the song of I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic? Do you know what that song? Okay, so can I request everybody? And are you ready? Okay, ready? Sing. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Okay, let's sing with action. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Okay, thank you everyone for the cooperation. And now, I request everybody to sit down. So, are you excited for our lesson today? Are you excited? Okay. Our lesson for today is all about the sound of letter. The sound of letter. And this letter is letter. Wait a minute. And this letter is letter C. Everybody, letter C. And this letter, we are going to put it in a board so that everybody can see the letter. Okay? Everybody, what is this letter? What? Okay. This letter is letter C. And this time, you are going to think, what are those things that start with letter C? Okay, Angela? Yes? Yes, very good. Cow. The first letter of the word cow start with the letter C. Very good. Another? Yes, Angelo? Yes, very good. Coconut. So for the word coconut, the first letter of that word is start with the letter C. What kind of letter? Letter C. Okay, very good. And so now, I have something to share with you about the picture. A picture that starts on a letter C. What kind of these animals? Have you ever familiarized these kinds of animals? This? Okay. What kind of these animals? What? This is a cat. Okay, very good. For the word cat, the first letter of this word start on a letter C. Everybody? What is the sound of letter C? Yes. C. Everybody? C. Okay. Very good. So another things, have you ever know what is this picture? Yes, This kind of things or technology is very important nowadays to make our lessons effectively and easy to communicate. Do you know what is this? This is what we call cell phone. For the word cell phone, it starts on a letter C. Okay? Did you understand? So, for the last picture that I want to show you, this things is that we can also see it above the sky. This is a what kind of this picture? What is this picture? Yes, this is a clouds. Again, what is this picture? Clouds. Open your mouth, everybody. What kind of this picture? Yes, very good. This is a clouds. So for the first letter of that word, start with the letter. What kind of letter? Yes, letter C. Everybody, open your mouth. Letter C. Okay, very good. Very good. So look, I will write it down in a board so that everybody can read. Okay? Okay. These are the three words that starts on a letter C. Okay, can I request everybody to read for the first word? Okay, second, third. Okay, very good. For the first letter or for the first word of cat, start with the letter C. What is the sound of C? Yes, very good. Did you already know our lesson for today? Did you understand? Okay, very good. And now, I know that you know already what is the sound of letter C. Now I have something to show you, a small activity. You are going to do is to think, what are those things that starts on a letter A? You are going to think what are those words that starts on a letter C. You are going to make an assignment in your home. Okay. Then you are going to think, what are those things that start on letters A? And you are going to write here almost 3 words. Yes. And then you can write your name here and also your grade. And you can pass me your assignment tomorrow. Okay? Okay? Okay. That's all for our lesson for today. Thank you for listening, everyone. God bless and see you tomorrow.